Hey guys, it's Chris. Today we are going to be talking specifically to our Canadian customers. Now we don't often do this. Most of our content applies equally to anyone who's going to be flat towing, but every once in a while there's an update to things or things change in the market, and we want to address a specific segment of customers that it affects. And so today we've got some really great news if you're in Canada, and that is that we have recently partnered with Atlas Trailer Products. They're a distributor in Canada to bring our products to a greater network of Canadian dealers. This is a big change for us because before, if you're in Canada and you wanted to order from a dealer there, we had three options. We had a couple dealers in British Columbia and one in Ontario, and that was it. Your only other option was to order off our website, which by the way is still totally valid to do, but with Atlas, we can now bring our products to many Canadian dealerships around the country. So if you want your local dealership, maybe you've got a great local dealer that you trust and you want them to handle all the purchasing and all the installation, now you can do that through Atlas. They will need to be a part of Atlas's distribution network. So you'll either want to call and make sure that they are, or if they're not, maybe encourage them to get signed up for Atlas's distribution network. Atlas has a ton of great products and they service a lot of great dealerships in Canada. They're a great company to work with, so we're really excited for that. But again, if you're in Canada, you've got a local dealer, you want them to handle everything, that's a great option to go, and now through Atlas you can do that, provided your local dealership is part of Atlas's distribution network. So if you've got any questions on anything about this update or about anything else flat towing, we're happy to help. Reach out to us by phone, chat, or email. In the meantime, guys, happy RVing. Hey guys, thanks again for joining us. We can't wait for you to dive in a little bit deeper on this channel. We've got tons of other great videos on products, stories, tips and tricks for when you're on the road. Before you go check those out though, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It may sound a little cliche, but it actually really does help us here on the YouTube side of things to make sure that we can continue to provide this kind of content for you. So if you've got any questions at all, never hesitate to reach out. We always love hearing from you. Guys, in the meantime, happy RVing.